How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Alpha beta gamma. B. Belongs to. C. Delta triangle. D. Equivalent to. The answer is C. Delta triangle. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Alpha beta gamma. B. Pi. C. Mu. D. Equivalent to. The answer is D. Equivalent to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Arc PQ. B. Angle. C. A square. D. Flower bracket. The answer is D. Flower bracket. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Cup of. B. Square root of. C. For all. D. Cube root of. The answer is C. For all. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Is identically equal to. B. Is similar to. C. Infinite. D. Is congruent to. The answer is C. Infinite. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Is identically equal to. B. Square root of. C. For all. D. Is congruent to. The answer is D. Is congruent to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Is identically equal to. B. Square root of. C. For all. D. Cube root of. The answer is A is identically equal to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Mod x. B. Log x to the base a. C. P of x. D. Point A, B. The answer is B. Log x to the base a. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Arc PQ. B. Is perpendicular to. C. Is parallel to. D. Flower bracket. The answer is C. Is parallel to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Arc PQ. B. Is perpendicular to. C. A square. D. Flower bracket. The answer is B. Is perpendicular to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Is identically equal to. B. Is similar to. C. For all. D. Is congruent to. The answer is B. Is similar to. Please like, share, subscribe.